Make your summary shine. Summarize in your own words. Hello, brilliant minds! Today, we are diving into a crucial part of reading comprehension: summarizing information. More specifically, we are going to focus on a powerful strategy: using your own words to summarize. This strategy will not only help you better understand what you read but also boost your own language skills. So, let's get started. First, let's answer the question: why should we use our own words when summarizing? Well, using your own words demonstrates your understanding of the material. If you can explain a concept in your own words, it means you've grasped the idea rather than just memorizing the text. Plus, using your own words helps to avoid plagiarism, a serious offense in academia and professional settings alike. Now that we understand why using our own words is important, let's go through the steps on how to do it. 1. Read the entire text first. Don't just skim through it. Understanding the full context is key to a good summary. 2. Underline or highlight important points. These are the main ideas and supporting details that you need to include in your summary. 3. Make notes in your own words. Write down the main points in a language that you understand. This process will make it easier for you to remember and explain the text later on. 4. Link your notes together. Start building your summary by connecting the points you've noted down. 5. Revise and edit your summary. Make sure that your summary makes sense, is clear and concise. Remember, practice is the key. The more you practice summarizing, the more you'll be able to do it naturally. So, we know the steps, but here are some additional tips to make your summaries even better. Keep it concise. A summary should be a condensed version of the original text. Keep it brief and to the point. Use transition words. Words like, however, moreover, thus, can help link your ideas together. Don't include your opinion. A summary is a presentation of the author's ideas, not yours. Stick to the facts from the text. That's all for today. We hope you found this video useful in learning how to summarize information in your own words. Remember, this is a powerful tool for understanding, remembering, and explaining the information you read. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at it. See you in our next video.